Okay, Huevos Rancheros. If you want to have a go at the recipe, screenshot this screen now.
Right then, so here we are in the kitchen, and as Mel's already said, today I am going to be making one of my favourite breakfasts, which is vegetarian, Huevos Rancheros, which is basically just rancher's eggs. So, what does it need? So, the first bit we're going to make is Pico Di Gallo, which is tomatoes, onion, a little bit of coriander and some lime juice. I've cheated and I've shop bought salsa because I'm not making it from scratch, and I didn't have any garlic, so I'm going to use a bit of garlic paste. It's always good to have things like that to hand just because it makes it a little bit easier. Okay, we've got some black beans. I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. An egg. Can't have rancher's eggs without an egg. Some little deli wraps. You can use the bigger ones. I just use these because they've got less carbs in. A bit of salt and a bit of feta. Okay. I'm gonna prepare all this in its separate little bits. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll just show you the finished product. Let's get to it. Pico De Gallo. So we've got a bowl. Chopped up as tomatoes, onion and a bit of coriander, and we've got us lime. Right, dead simple. Put all that into the bowl. Don't worry about all the tomato juice. Okay, all in there. And when it comes to the coriander, just put in what you want, really. I quite like it, so I'll have a decent amount. Okay, leave a little bit left over at the end. Can't beat a bit of fresh coriander on your Huevos Rancheros. Put that to one side. Lime. Stick your fork in the middle, twist it round, and then just squeeze. Try not to get any seeds in there. Don't put too much in either. Lime's quite strong. What you need to do, just mix it all together. And then once that's done, just leave it to one side really. Come back to it and look something a little bit like that. Well, that's really the only thing that needs like a lot of prep. Well, I say a lot of prep, you have to cut it. Alright, the rest of it's pretty simple, but actually Pico De Gallo, once that's done, just leave it to one side, and then we'll crack on with the rest. Right then, refried beans, need yourself saucepan. Okay, make sure heat's on, don't want it too high, just nice and low will do. Some black beans, I'm going to use about half of them. They don't look right appetising, but they are okay. Garlic paste, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of olive oil. Don't know why it's not got a label on up front. We'll use a little bit of this to cook. But yeah, let's get going. So, turn on the heat. So you've got the pan on the heat. Okay. A little bit of oil in there, just let it heat up. Once that's warmed up, pop the garlic in. Okay, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of that. Like I say, half them beans and a bit of salt. Okay, you might want to put a little bit of water in there as well, about half a glass. You just want to cook the beans for like 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, again, I'm not going to bore you with all of that stuff. We'll just crack on. You've got your beans. Okay, give them a bit of a stir, a little bit of water in there, along with the garlic and everything else. Just leave that going for maybe 5 minutes, okay, until those beans are softened. Then all you need to do, mash them up a little bit with you can use a fork or you can use a masher. Personally, I just use a fork, it's a bit easier. And then we'll move on to the last bit. Right, that's your beans done. You can sort of see that they probably look a little less appetising from before, but they should be a similar consistency to that. I used back of this to mush them up. Then it's on to the last bit, so you need a pan, 1 tortilla, 1 egg, and your olive oil again, just a little bit of that. Okay, so just going to fry off them tortillas. I've done one side, as you can see. Only takes about a minute on each side. Then you want to take your disgusting brown mixture or your refried beans. You just spread it on each one. Pop a bit of your salsa on there. You need to put your egg on. Where's my egg? Egg's there. Okay, I think that one needs turning over actually. Got a spoon. Okay, got my beans. How many of them do I want? Just pop them onto your tortilla. I'll have a few there. Oh. Okay, right. So spread them out. I fully appreciate this doesn't sound the best. Probably shouldn't lick this. I'll get another spoon. Right. Bit of salsa on there. Ooh. Okay, spread that out as well. Okay. Then it's time to cook your egg. Egg's coming along nicely. That looks awful, but it is nice. Okay, it's just black beans and a bit of salsa. I'm gonna pop that onto there. Put a big old dollop of that with it. Okay, and then finish off by just sprinkling over a little bit of Greek feta. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks better than that. Then, so, a bit of awfulness. Got your egg. Get that out of the pan. Pop that on. Lovely. Right. I need my spoon back. I suppose I can use a fork. Pico Di Gallo. Give it a bit of a stir. Good, helping it that all the way around. Okay. Like that again. A little bit of feta. All over. I only use a tiny little bit. It's quite strong taste, so you don't need much of it. Oh. And a little bit more lime juice, just to finish off. And that's it. That is it. Not the best presentation. Not bad. Quite high in protein, vegetarian, and absolutely delicious. What more could you want?
Okay, well, there you go. There's Phil's fabulous breakfast vegetarian recipe. By his own admission, it didn't look fabulous to start with, but by the end, it looked pretty damn tasty. So, I will put up now the macros. So if I put them here, next to me, you'll see that it's about 500 calories for that portion. Yeah, it's a pretty big portion. You could probably share that between 2 people if you wanted to, but if you want a decent hearty breakfast, then you've got it there. 500 calories, plenty of protein, and the carbs aren't too high, to be fair. So yeah, nice breakfast. So what's coming up for Mel and Phil? I know that I've got planned my next video. I'm going to do something related to abdominal training. So everyone loves a bit of ab training, so let's see what we can put together in terms of an ab video. I'm not sure what Phil's got planned next. I know he was planning to do a few more recipes, so let's see what he's got up his sleeve. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, we've hit the 100 mark, but before we do our Instagram live, I want to make sure we've got a decent buffer zone, so let's have a few more subscribers. If you're not subscribed, just do it now. ring the bell for notifications, and then you'll be let know every time we load up a video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.